Cut, glue, fold. Wow. Mr. Mintz Crafts. Hi. Today's not just any video, it's a full-on dad-tastic craft day. We've got for fun, easy, and totally wild ideas just for dad. Let's go! Our first craft is the pop-up Trucker Dad card, and this one's a total favorite in our house. If your dad drives a truck, works on the road, or just loves big wheels, this is the one to make. We started by printing out the template, or you can draw your own. Then we carefully cut out the 3 pop-up tabs. These are the magic strips that'll make the word dad. Jump up when the card opens, like it's bouncing out of a big, loving truck. After that, we folded the base to make a little stage. Don't worry if the folds aren't perfect. That's part of the fun. Just press everything flat and glue the sides together to hold the shape. Now comes our favorite part, decorating. Now we grab some glue and spread it on the paper. Not too much, just enough. We line up the pieces carefully and press them together nice and smooth. We spread a bit more glue and start adding decorations. You can use the ones from our template or come up with your own. That's the fun part. Anything works. Hearts, shapes, even your own little truck, and even a Route 66 sign. Now we glue the letters D, A, and D right onto the magic Papa tabs. Make sure they line up nice and straight so they pop out just right. Now we're building the magic pop-up engine, the part that makes everything move. Just take a sheet of paper and fold it back and forth, 1 centimeter at a time. It's like making a little paper accordion, slow and steady. That's where the magic starts. Wow, our magic accordion opens like a road in traffic light colors. It's bright, it's fun, and Dad's going to love it. From the highway to the Wi-Fi. Next up, a pop-up card for dads who code, click, and fix everything except bedtime. For this one, we made a special pixel design with a red heart, a computer mouse, and big blocky letters that say DAD. Look close. It's like a retro video game made just for him. You can freestyle it however they want. We line up the pieces carefully and press them together. Now we add the pixel heart, the final touch. Then open it up and boom. Happy Father's Day in full 8-bit style. Okay, now let's log out and gear up. It's time to make a magic pop-up card for a real-life hero, a firefighter dad. Look, a helmet, a hose, and even a fire extinguisher. These aren't just decorations, they're real rescue gear for our hero dad. First, print out the template and grab your scissors. Cut slowly along the lines like a real craft pro. Now fold each strip carefully, straight and even, just like paper stairs. That's your pop-up base, all ready to go. And hey, if you love drawing, you can even make your own version from scratch. We start with the big ones. D a D, so Dad knows he's the hero today. Then add I love you, a pixel heart, a fire helmet, boots, and even a hose. Each piece is like a tiny superpower. Together, they turn this card into a real rescue mission surprise. And now, let's decorate the cover. Stick on the hearts that say, Best Dad Ever, and You Are Number 1. Let Dad feel like the superstar he is. Now, fold your magical engine, red, yellow, firepower, and pop up. The magic begins. We've tested the truckers, typed with the techies, and battled blazes with the brave. Now it's time for the best job of all. Dad with the job title. Dad. Let's make a card that simply says, I love you, just for being my dad. We colored the letters DAD with bold colors. My youngest used red, blue, and glitter glue. Finally, we wrote our secret message inside. You don't just carry cargo, you carry love. And you know what? That got a real smile from Dad. It's simple, handmade, and filled with heart, just like the best gifts always are. So try it out. You can use our template or create your own unique design. And don't forget to take a picture and tag us. We'd love to see your crafts.